Vous voulez essayer?
Would you like to try? Would you like to try?
Ce serait parfait.
That would be perfect. That would be perfect.
Que buvez-vous?
What are you drinking? What are you drinking?
40.
40. 40.
Octobre.
October. October.
Moustache.
Mustache. Mustache.
Avez-vous un rendez-vous?
Do you have an appointment? Do you have an appointment?
Lequel est le moins cher?
Which one is cheaper? Which one is cheaper?
Avez-vous assez d'argent?
Do you have enough money? Do you have enough money?
Je ne me sens pas bien.
I don't feel well. I don't feel well.
À quelle distance se trouve-t-elle?
How far is it? How far is it?
Ramassez vos vêtements.
Pick up your clothes. Pick up your clothes.
Avez-vous reçu mon email?
Did you get my email? Did you get my email?
Ils reviennent tout de suite.
They'll be right back. They'll be right back.
Je reviens tout de suite.
I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Vous n'êtes pas dans les temps.
You are not in time. You are not in time.
Je ne peux pas vous entendre.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Le temps, c'est de l'argent.
Time is money. Time is money.
C'est tout ce dont j'ai besoin.
That's all I need. That's all I need.
Poussez-vous de mon chemin.
Move out of my way. Move out of my way.
Passez à autre chose.
Move on. Move on.
Je suis tellement occupé.
I'm so busy. I'm so busy.
C'est juste de la fantaisie.
Just fancy. Just fancy.
En fait, non.
Actually no. Actually no.
Il a des tripes.
He's got guts. He's got guts.
Je ne peux pas être d'accord.
I can't agree. I can't agree.
Pas exactement.
Not exactly. Not exactly.
Enfin seul.
Alone at last. Alone at last.
Joyeuse Pâques.
Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
Je dois y aller maintenant.
I gotta go now. I gotta go now.
Je n'ai pas le temps.
I have no time. I have no time.
J'aime ma femme.
I love my wife. I love my wife.
Je t'aime aussi.
I love you too. I love you too.
Je suis libre aujourd'hui.
I'm free today. I'm free today.
Il y a une tache.
It has a stain. It has a stain.
Ce n'est pas clair.
It's not clear. It's not clear.
J'ai très faim.
I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry.
C'est logique.
It makes sense. It makes sense.
Ce n'est qu'une blague.
It's just a joke. It's just a joke.
Arrêtez de crier.
Stop shouting. Stop shouting.
Qu'en dites-vous?
What do you say? What do you say?
Faites comme bon vous semble.
Have it your way. Have it your way.
Il est très poli.
He's very polite. He's very polite.
À quoi cela ressemble-t-il?
How does it look? How does it look?
Comment vont les affaires?
How's business? How's business?
J'ai la diarrhée.
I have diarrhea. I have diarrhea.
Je vais vous soigner.
I will treat you. I will treat you.
Est-ce exact?
Is that correct? Is that correct?
Tout est de ma faute.
It's all my fault. It's all my fault.
C'est au-dessus de ma tête.
It's over my head. It's over my head.
Il est trop tard maintenant.
It's too late now. It's too late now.
Gardez la monnaie.
Keep the change. Keep the change.
Elle m'a raccroché au nez.
She hung upon me. She hung upon me.
C'est une nouvelle pour moi.
That's news to me. That's news to me.
Nous n'avons pas besoin de lui.
We don't need him. We don't need him.
Je m'en fous.
I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn.
Je compte sur vous.
I'm relying on you. I'm relying on you.
Tout va bien maintenant.
It's all right now. It's all right now.
Il est prévu pour demain.
It's due tomorrow. It's due tomorrow.
Il est temps de se lever.
It's time to get up. It's time to get up.
Sautons l'école.
Let's skip school. Let's skip school.
Cet homme est Smith.
That man is Smith. That man is Smith.
Que dois-je dire?
What should I say? What should I say?
Quel est ce bruit?
What's that noise? What's that noise?
Quelque chose à boire.
Anything to drink? Anything to drink?
C'est assez simple.
It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple.
C'est important.
This is important. This is important.
Vous avez de la bière?
Do you have any beer? Do you have any beer?
Quand y arriverons-nous?
When do we get there? When do we get there?
Avez-vous un reçu?
Do you have a receipt? Do you have a receipt?
100.
100. 100.
Comprendre.
Understanding. Understanding.
Quel est le prix de la chambre?
What's the room rate? What's the room rate?
Félicitations.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
Travaillez-vous demain?
Are you working tomorrow? Are you working tomorrow?
Tout simplement merveilleux.
Just wonderful. Just wonderful.
Vous vendez des chaussures?
Do you sell shoes? Do you sell shoes?
Oui, vraiment.
Yes, really. Yes, really.
Ce n'est pas trop loin.
It's not too far. It's not too far.
C'est une bonne école.
That's a good school. That's a good school.
C'est un homme bon.
He's a good man. He's a good man.
Je veux un steak.
I want a steak. I want a steak.
Ne me dérangez pas.
Don't bother me. Don't bother me.
Il fait 12 aujourd'hui.
It's mild today. It's mild today.
Ce n'est pas un problème.
It's no trouble. It's no trouble.
Il est temps de manger.
It's time to eat. It's time to eat.
Allons-y.
Let's get going. Let's get going.
Allons skier.
Let's go skiing. Let's go skiing.
Ne le renversez pas.
Don't tip it over. Don't tip it over.
Tout dépend de vous.
It's all up to you. It's all up to you.
Allons-y.
Let's get moving. Let's get moving.
Chantons un duo.
Let's sing a duet. Let's sing a duet.
Veuillez vous asseoir.
Please sit down. Please sit down.
Quelle surprise.
What a surprise. What a surprise.
Faites attention à lui.
Be careful of him. Be careful of him.
Tu vas me manquer.
I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you.
Je suis désolé.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
Peut-on boire?
Is it okay to drink? Is it okay to drink?
C'est raisonnable.
That's reasonable. That's reasonable.
Janet est belle.
Janet is beautiful. Janet is beautiful.
Veuillez baisser le son.
Please turn it down. Please turn it down.
En quelle année êtes-vous?
What year are you in? What year are you in?
Qu'est-ce qui ne va pas chez moi?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me?
Où allez-vous?
Where are you off to? Where are you off to?
Où nous rencontrerons-nous?
Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet?
Il n'y a rien à faire.
There's nothing to it. There's nothing to it.
Pourquoi pensez-vous cela?
Why do you think that? Why do you think that?
Vous êtes les bienvenus.
You're quite welcome. You're quite welcome.
Il est déjà minuit.
It's midnight already. It's midnight already.
Vous en voulez un autre?
Would you like one more? Would you like one more?
30.
30. 30.
Numérique.
Digital. Digital.
Respectueux.
Respectful. Respectful.
Mécanique.
Mechanical. Mechanical.
Ils n'ont pas d'argent.
They don't have any money. They don't have any money.
Voici un cadeau pour vous.
Here's a gift for you. Here's a gift for you.
Emmenez-moi en ville.
Take me downtown. Take me downtown.
Que voulez-vous boire?
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink?
Au deuxième étage.
On the second floor. On the second floor.
Laquelle est la meilleure?
Which one is the best? Which one is the best?
Vous avez besoin de quelque chose?
Do you need anything? Do you need anything?
Elle est plus âgée que moi.
She's older than me. She's older than me.
Je ne suis pas encore prêt.
I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet.
Vous êtes très intelligent.
You're very smart. You're very smart.
Mon sac est perdu.
My bag is lost. My bag is lost.
Avez-vous du café?
Do you have any coffee? Do you have any coffee?
Votre père est-il à la maison?
Is your father home? Is your father home?
Il a gagné une élection.
He won an election. He won an election.
Vous étudiez l'anglais?
Do you study English? Do you study English?
Aimez-vous votre patron?
Do you like your boss? Do you like your boss?
Voici votre salade.
Here is your salad. Here is your salad.
Je n'en ai aucune idée.
I have no idea. I have no idea.
Je n'ai pas le choix.
I have no choice. I have no choice.
Attendez de voir.
Just wait and see. Just wait and see.
Faites-moi confiance.
Trust me. Trust me.
Je dois y aller.
I have to go. I have to go.
Sortons.
Let's go out. Let's go out.
Plus jamais ça.
Never again. Never again.
Quelle insouciance.
How uncaring. How uncaring.
J'ai la nausée.
I am nauseous. I am nauseous.
Je veux me reposer.
I want to rest. I want to rest.
Je voudrais un costume.
I'd like a suit. I'd like a suit.
Il était en vente.
It was on sale. It was on sale.
Puis-je l'essayer?
May I try it on? May I try it on?
Pas d'objection.
No objection. No objection.
Arrêtez de plaisanter.
Stop kidding. Stop kidding.
Ne m'accusez pas.
Don't accuse me. Don't accuse me.
Il fait froid aujourd'hui.
It's cold today. It's cold today.
C'est à l'envers.
It's inside out. It's inside out.
Comme toujours.
Same as always. Same as always.
Ce n'est pas vrai.
That's not true. That's not true.
Utilisez votre cerveau.
Use your brain. Use your brain.
À quelle heure?
About what time? About what time?
Absolument pas.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Ne me regardez pas.
Don't stare at me. Don't stare at me.
Et le steak?
How about steak? How about steak?
Comment cela a-t-il abouti?
How did it end up? How did it end up?
Je peux boire beaucoup.
I can drink a lot. I can drink a lot.
J'ai passé un bon moment.
I had a good time. I had a good time.
J'ai un fiancé.
I have a fiancé. I have a fiancé.
J'ai de la chance aujourd'hui.
I'm in luck today. I'm in luck today.
Cela fait si longtemps.
It's been so long. It's been so long.
Ce n'est pas si loin.
It's not that far. It's not that far.
Il pleut aujourd'hui.
It's rainy today. It's rainy today.
C'est tout ce que je sais.
That's all I know. That's all I know.
Ce sera amusant.
This will be fun. This will be fun.
Vous avez un accord.
You've got a deal. You've got a deal.
Je suis tombé sur lui.
I bumped into him. I bumped into him.
J'aime votre chemise.
I like your shirt. I like your shirt.
J'ai fait cette chaise.
I made this chair. I made this chair.
Je ne me saoule jamais.
I never get drunk. I never get drunk.
Je vais vous mettre au courant.
I will fill you in. I will fill you in.